Hello students, today we will study more about the complement of a set and its properties of complement and different laws regarding complement. So with the help of example, we will see the first law, that is first example is U is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our universal set 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then A is equal to 2 3, B is equal to 3 4 5. So question is find A dash, B dash, A dash intersect B dash, A union B, and hence show that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash. So now you have to first of all find A dash. So A, what is A dash? All the elements of U apart from 2 3, all the elements of U apart from 2 3, it is called A dash. So 1 4 5 6 is the A dash. Now second is B dash. B dash means all the elements of U apart from 3 4 5. 3 4 5 is not the element of B dash because it is already in B. So all the elements of U which is not present in B. So B dash is equal to 3 4 5 is already there. So 1 2 and 6. 1 2 and 6. Then you have to find A dash intersect B dash. So these two, you have to intersect these two. A dash intersect B dash. So find the common element between these two. Intersect means common element between two sets. So 1 and 6 is the common element. 1 and 6. These two is the common element between A dash and B dash. Now fourth is A union B. A union B. A union B. All the elements of A and all the elements of B. Just remove the repeated elements. Repeated elements you have to write only once. 2 3 4 5 is the A union B. 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5 is the A union B. Now hence show that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash. Now we have A dash intersect B dash already, right? So now you have to find A union B whole dash. A union B means 2 3 4 5. Now you have to find dash of this, means all the elements of U apart from A union B's element. 2 3 4 5 के अलावा जितने भी यू में एलिमेंट हो गए, क्योंकि होल डैश है, मीन्स आपको ए यूनियन बी तो फाइंड करना ही होगा और उसका डैश करना है, मतलब ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ यू अपार्ट फ्रॉम 2 3 4 5. So 1 and 6. This is second. So now 1 is equal to 2. This is 1 6. This is 1 6. So it can be shown that the above result is true in general. That's why if A and B are any two subset of the universal set of U, right? Condition is A and B two set have to be subset of U, then A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash. A union B whole dash is equal to A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash. If union is there of whole, then you have to write the intersect over here. कैसे हम याद रख सकते हैं ये लॉ को? तो A यूनियन B होल डैश इज इक्वल टू A डैश इंटरसेक्ट B डैश. सिमिलरली इफ यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट आ गया A इंटरसेक्ट B होल डैश, देन A डैश यूनियन B डैश. A इंटरसेक्ट B होल डैश इज इक्वल टू A डैश इंटरसेक्ट A डैश यूनियन B डैश. This is the two important law. So in words, if you have to say, then how can we say the complement of union of two set? The complement. How we can represent in words? Listen carefully that the complement of union of two set. The complement of union of two set in the intersection is the intersection of their complements. Of their complements means of these two, of their complements, right? And the complement of the intersection of two set, complement of intersection of two set is the union of their complement. There means A and B's complement, right? This is the De Morgan's law. These are called De Morgan's law. It is called De Morgan's law. It named after the mathematician De Morgan, right? It is the De Morgan's law. This too is the very important law. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash, and A intersect B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. If here union is there, then there is intersection over here. If there is intersection over here, then there is union over here, right? And it is De Morgan's law. With the help of De Morgan's law, you have to solve some examples, right? Now, the complement of A dash. Now we have to represent A dash with the help of Venn diagram. Each and everything we represented with the help of Venn diagram in previous videos also, right? So here also we have to represent A dash with the help of Venn diagram. Now this is A. This is our A. This is U, right? A is the subset of U. That's why we have to represent A over here, right? So now A dash is what? A dash is what? All the elements of U apart from A. So इतना आपको छोड़ देना है, ये जो A का पोर्शन है वो आपको छोड़ देना है, right? And this much portion is A dash, right? This much portion is A dash. So now some properties of complement set. Some properties of complement set. So complement law is what? That A union A dash is equal to U. A union A dash is equal to U, right? Which means if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, right? U is equal to 1 to 10. And so A dash is equal to 4, 5 up to 10, right? So if we are taking A union A dash, which is equal to U. A union A dash which is equal to U. And if we are taking A intersect A dash, A dash which is equal to 5, right? A intersect A dash which is equal to 5. Now, second, De Morgan's law. A union B, we saw with the help of example, De Morgan's law. This is second property. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersect B dash. And second is A intersect B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Right? This is the De Morgan's law. Now law of double complementation means if we are taking A dash dash, then which is equal to A. If we are taking dash of dash, then which is equal to A. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3 and A is equal to 2, 3, then A dash is equal to 1, right? A dash is equal to 1. So now A dash dash is equal to, if we have to take dash of this, then which is equal to 2, 3, which is equal to A, right? Laws of empty set and universal set. Phi dash is equal to U and U dash is equal to phi, which means laws of empty set and universal set. Phi dash is equal to U and U dash is equal to phi. If we are taking phi dash means empty नहीं है तो वो U होगा, universal set हो जाएगा. And U dash means universal set नहीं है तो वो phi हो जाएगा, right? So this is the laws of empty set and universal set. Okay. Now exercise 1.5 question number 1. Exercise 1.5 question number 1. U is equal to 1 to 9, right? U is equal to 1 to 9. A, B, C is there. Now you have to find different dash. First of all, A dash. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So dash is 5 6 7 8 9. Similarly b is equal to 2 4 6 8, right? So b dash is equal to, apart from 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8 के अलावा सारे, so 1 3 5 7 9 is the b dash. Now third is you have to find a union c whole dash. A union c whole dash. So first of all you have to union of these two, a and c, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? A union c means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now a union c whole dash is equal to, apart from these elements, c in u, with respect to u, you have to find dash of a union c. So 7 8 9. This is the a union c whole dash. Now a union b whole dash. Here I have it written u a b c, so it is easier to you. So a union b, 1 2 3 4 6 8, 1 2 3 4 6 8, a union b, right? So you have to find dash of it. Dash of it means apart from these elements 5 7 and 9. Okay, now a dash of dash, we know that the property dash of dash is equal to that particular set is equal to a. So you have to write 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4. And if you have to show that a dash, find out a dash, 5 6 7 8 9 is the a dash. Now you have to find its dash, dash of dash, which is equal to, apart from this element, which is equal to 1 2 3 4, which is equal to a. So directly write down a dash of dash is equal to a, which is 1 2 3 4. Now b minus c whole dash. First of all you have to find b minus c. Okay, first of all you have to find b minus c, all the elements of b which is not present in c. So which is 2 and 4 is there, 6 is there, and 8. Only 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Now find out the dash of this 2 8 dash, b minus c whole dash, which is equal to 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. Okay, this is the b minus c dash. Now exercise 1.5 question number 4. It is the same as De Morgan's law. You have to prove De Morgan's law. U is there, a is there, and b is there. So a union b whole dash is equal to a dash intersect b dash, right? So first of all find a union b. First of all LHS. A union b, which is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now you have to dash of it. You have to find dash of it. So apart from this element, which is equal to 1 9, a union b of dash is equal to 1 9. So say it is the 1, right? This is our LHS. Now find a dash first of all and b dash. So what is a dash? A dash is equal to 1 3 5 7 9. And what is b dash? 1 4 6 8 9. Now you have to find intersect of these two, a dash and b dash. So common element between these two is 1 9. So a union b whole dash is equal to a dash intersect b dash. 1 9 1 9, 1 is equal to 2. So we can say that a union b whole dash is equal to a dash intersect b dash. Okay, I hope you understood this De Morgan's law. Similarly, a intersect b whole dash is equal to a dash union b dash. Second De Morgan's law. First of all find a intersect b, which is 2. Okay, 2. Now of it intersect. So this is 1 to 9. Our u is 1 to 9. So apart from 2, you have to write down all the elements. Then second, a dash b dash. Find out a dash. A dash is 1 3 5 7 9 and b dash is 1 4 6 8 9. All the elements of u apart from this. And for b, all the elements of u apart from 2 3 5 7 9. So now union of it, 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. So a intersect b of whole dash is equal to a dash union b dash. Okay, now question number 7 is fill in the blanks. Now this is the all about the properties we saw, right? So a union a dash is equal to u. a एंड a डैश का अगर हम यूनियन करेंगे तो यूनिवर्सल सेट ही आएगा, ऑब्वियस. if phi dash intersect A, so what is the phi dash? Phi dash is equal to U, right? U intersect A, U intersect A is equal to A. दोनों में जो कॉमन होगा U और A में, वो हमें लिखना है, तो वो तो A में ही होगा, क्योंकि U में तो सारे एलिमेंट होंगे A के. A is the subset of U है, that's why. Okay, that's why phi dash intersect A is equal to A. A intersect A dash is equal to phi. दोनों में कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं होगा A और A dash में, क्योंकि हमें तो लिखना ही वो है जो A में नहीं हो. So A intersect A dash is equal to phi. Now fourth is U dash intersect A. U dash is equal to phi, intersect A is equal to phi, right? So phi intersect A is equal to phi. U dash intersect A is equal to phi. I hope you understood this property. Now question number 6, right? What is question number 6? Let U, your universal set is all the triangles. And what is your A? Your A is the triangle with at least one angle different from 60 degree. Means triangle ना के सारे जो एंगल्स है वो 60 डिग्री नहीं है, एक कोई डिफरेंट है, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं आपका A. तो A डैश क्या होगा? A dash is the set of equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? All sides are same, right? And all the angles are same, which is 60 degree. So A dash is the set of all the equilateral triangles. Because आपको यहाँ पे बोला है एक एंगल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 60 डिग्री, राइट? सो Venn diagram. Question number 5 is you have to draw Venn diagram. Question number 5, you have to draw appropriate Venn diagram. A union B whole dash. So A union B means all the elements of A and B. So this portion you have to leave. इतना पोर्शन आपको छोड़ देना है, उसके अलावा जितना भी ये शेडेड पोर्शन है वो है आपका A यूनियन B होल डैश. बिकॉज ये A यूनियन B तो इतना होगा, इतना, ये A यूनियन B होगा, आपको उसका डैश लिखना है, विच मीन्स उसके अलावा जितना भी है ये है आपका A यूनियन B होल डैश. नाउ A डैश इंटरसेक्ट B डैश. सो A डैश इंटरसेक्ट B डैश मीन्स A डैश इंटरसेक्ट B डैश, विच मीन्स ये जो आपका पोर्शन है इतना, क्योंकि ए डैश और बी डैश तो क्या होगा, ए डैश और बी डैश तो ए और बी के अलावा, राइट? सो अब उसका इंटरसेक्ट करना है, विच मीन्स ऑल द दिस शेडेड पोर्शन. नाउ ए इंटरसेक्ट बी होल डैश. ए इंटरसेक्ट बी होल डैश, विच मीन्स ए इंटरसेक्ट बी, ये इंटरसेक्ट बी है, ये जो वाइट पोर्शन दिख रहा है ये इंटरसेक्ट बी है, उसका डैश लेना है आपको, विच मीन्स इसके अलावा ये जो वाइट पोर्शन दिख रहा है इसके अलावा जितना भी है वो सारा आपका ए इंटरसेक्ट बी होल डैश है, राइट? ये सारा. नाउ ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश. सो ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश मीन्स दिस इज ए डैश, दिस इज बी डैश, राइट? एंड यूनियन, तो जितना भी ये वाइट पोर्शन है उसके अलावा ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश. I hope you understood the Venn diagram, right? So this is all about the Venn diagram. And here we have completed our exercise 1.5. Okay? I hope you understood.